miles from epic views. Look before we head back down. Short hike, head up north, do a little more hiking. All right, riding up north, do another cool hike. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, we're almost 9 miles into our logging road excursion that goes about roughly 50 miles, and we're just gonna keep going. Such a prime habitat for wildlife. Really nice. Let's see all the mountain ranges. Some dark clouds. A little buggy. All right, continue on our epic journey. We're just looking around at all the different tracks, seeing moose tracks, deer tracks, just an abundance of wildlife going up that embankment. So I'm just going across the road over here to see the vicinity of where they're coming from. Come here, Chewy. Kind of just get a look over the edge here. See ya. Oh, that's steep. That is steep. But just forest. That's it. There's nothing else back there. And we're just gonna keep going deeper. All right. Continuing our little logging excursion. Logging road excursion. Come on, Chewy. Wrong way, Bubs. Come on. there again. Doing what we love to do. Dixville Notch. We're about to do the tabletop. Some epic views. Right, wingman? Alright. My buddy Evan. Here we go. Alright, yeah, so overall this is a little over a mile hike, but it's all uphill, all steep. But another bang for your buck type hike with being a little over a mile total. So shouldn't take too long to get to the opening of the tabletop. So we'll get those epic views. Coming up on the view of tabletop, which I heard has a pretty crazy pitch going straight down. No, Dixville Notch. No, Papa. That's gotta be it. Alright, I'm gonna make our way down. Whew. Coming up on it now. Yep. Up to the peak. Oh, wow. Sweet. Oh, this is awesome, Evan. Oh, wow. Time for sunset. Epic views, top of tabletop. Alright. Well, that's an epic shot. All right, the last view is the sunset. Quick little break. Really nice. All right, well, that's about it. That's about it for me and Chewy. So, till the next time. Happy trails. Be safe out there. Have fun. Right, Bubs? Yeah, yo, go, go, go.